What's up everybody, it's your boy Chubbs and welcome back to another video. Alright, so I had just gotten off of work probably like 20 minutes ago. Got home, grabbed all my filming equipment, and I'm head over to around the Ontario airport area, and I'm gonna film this badass crew cab Silverado. So you guys are coming along with me. Let's go. And also I have an update about lowering parts later on in the video, so for now let's go film this truck. Hope you guys enjoyed those first few clips I put in the video. I went out to go film a crew cab. I'll drop a little clip of how the video came out right here. But if you want to watch the full video, it's the previous video. Go check it out. Just go to my channel, it'll be the first one there, well, right after this one. So just go ahead, check it out, let me know what you think, and if you need something filmed, let me know. I'll be there. Well, I mean, as long as it's the same state at least, because I've been getting some people from like Bakersfield that want me to go out there, so I'll probably go out there and knock them out in like a few weeks. One thing I really like about filming people's trucks and cars and whatever is that I get to meet new people. I like to meet new people. It's cool knowing other people and meeting them, hearing their story and everything. So get to meet other people, their dreams, their goals for their trucks, their cars or whatever. So if you guys have a car, truck, or anything you want me to film, hit me up. My Instagram and Snapchat should be down below in the description. And I don't charge that much, like 40 bucks for a full video. I'm probably gonna be doing a video giveaway soon, so keep up with on my Instagram, because that's where I'm gonna post it. I mean, I'll put some updates on Snapchat too, but it's mainly be on Instagram, so follow me. But what we're gonna be doing today is we're gonna be unboxing these new truck parts that I just got. I'm not sure what's exactly in the small box, because I ordered 2 parts off of the same company, so I don't know if they're both in there, but I just know that my shocks are in the big box for sure. And I'm still waiting on, what am I waiting on? Did I say spindles already? The spindles? Yeah, and then I just gotta do the underbed notch, which I'm gonna take care of that as soon as possible. I just need to get the truck registered and ready to be on the road so I can drive it out to the guy that's gonna do the underbed notch. But let's unbox this real quick. I don't know about you guys, but I like to watch unboxing videos. So if you guys have the same if you guys like the same thing, then drop down a comment. I want to see who else likes to watch unboxing videos. I don't know, it's pretty entertaining to me ever since I was a kid, so I'm gonna do this for you guys. Oh, look, here's my white pipe with the cats. So I've had this tripod for like 2 years already, and it was like, I think it was like 10 bucks off of Amazon. I don't know where this part is. I was gonna put you guys on here, but I have no idea where this piece is that connects to my camera, so maybe I'll see if I can set it up somehow and get you guys a higher view of what I'm unboxing. But let me try to set something up. Also, I'm gonna try to do the drunk Q&A within the next 2 videos, so I can get all your guys' answers all your guys' questions answered. So we'll try to do it pretty soon with Gordo Films. Getting drunk, answering questions. That'll be pretty fun. We'll probably add some food to it too, so we could eat at the same time. Make it a little bit funnier and more entertaining, you know? Because I'm not about that simple Q&A life, you know? To me, it feels like it's a little boring, and I want to entertain you guys as much as I can. So that's what we're gonna be doing. But let's set up this tripod. All right, guys. Looks like I couldn't find the what's it called? The thing for the tripod, so I'm just put you guys on a chair. And here we go. I think these are the shocks, yeah. By Belltech. Nitro drop shocks. All the people that drop trucks and everything recommended me these. So here they are. There's some boxes. Got these off of Amazon. I'll leave the link down in the description for you guys if you like. If you guys want to purchase these. I don't wanna scratch the box because the box looks badass. But there we go. Oh shit, more boxes. Okay. Nice. Does it say are these all the same? They better not be. Shock absorber. Nitro drop 2. Belltech. Let's see. Let's open them up. God damn. Woo! That's badass. I wonder if this one's the same. Are they all the same? It better not be. It's supposed to be the whole set, front and rear. Okay. That's badass though. So there we have the shocks. Oops. Do you guys appreciate packaging like this, all nice and neat? Because I sure do. Let's see what we got over here. This is by Spindles. I'll also leave the link down in the description for these as well. Damn. Oh shit. Look at that. Oh. Look at that. Look at that. This will give me 2 inches lower in the front. God damn. Whew. These motherfuckers are heavy duty. Look at that. God damn. God damn. God damn. I actually ordered a new flip kit. One of my compas told me that those U-ball joints, those U-joints from the flip kit that I have are they tend to break easily and will damage your truck. He told me not to go for something cheap and go for something more with more quality and more with pretty much something that won't break easily. So pretty much the same. The U-joints that we're gonna be using are the ones that are on the truck currently, so just the stock ones, and that those work 2 times as better as the U ones. So there we have it. Open up all the shocks because I want to see all of them together. Oh yeah, it's 2 different part numbers. I'll show you guys right now in a second. There's a badass box. So here's the part numbers for the front and rear. you guys want to pause the video right here and take a look at it, go ahead. So all of this came out to, I believe, 140 something, 147, around there. Damn. What do you guys think? Look badass. Looks like they don't put the stickers on right though. Damn, I'm excited to get this old girl low. So what do you guys think? Check these beauties out. Look at that. God damn. Whew. So yeah, I just need the shock extenders now, and what else did I say? The new flip kit, and then should be ready. What the heck? So just as I was about to close the video out to you guys, I got another truck part. Yeah, let's open up this one too. I think it's the shock extenders. How do I open these? Let's just tear into it. Damn, we got a double stuffed Oreo in here. That's right. Let's see. You guys hear that Camaro? Shit sounds badass. That's a real Camaro. Let's see what we got. More triple stuffed Oreo. Oh, this is a flip kit. Okay. Yeah, definitely. Watch. I'm pretty sure it is. Yeah, this is a flip kit. Let's see what we got. Yeah, this is a flip kit for sure. Gorgeous. My apologies, Renee. Hope you don't get mad that I went with another flip kit. But I appreciate you for selling me the part. If you want it back, let me know. Shit. They packaged this pretty good. I mean, they use too much paper, man. Like, you guys gotta save paper. So here we are. I was expecting to finish this video already, but got another little surprise. So here's the other flip kit. This is gonna be complementing the underbed notch that we're doing within a week, I believe so. So stay tuned for that. It'll probably be one of the next two videos. I'm gonna go out to Rialto to go see one of the homies that does underbed notches, C notches, and all that. So let's do it. Alright guys, so I want to start selling some of my decals. So if you guys would buy one, let me know. Drop a thumbs up or a comment down below so I can actually make quite a few of them and start selling them out, and then make more and more, and probably make new ones, and you know, probably even do shirts. So just let me know. Let me know if you guys would buy them, and if not, then I'll throw some out in a giveaway or something. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. Hope you guys liked the first few clips I did of me going out and filming a truck. I didn't really vlog, but I threw some clips in there for you guys. Like I said, I don't really vlog while I'm doing a video shoot because I'm like focused on getting footage for my my customers, or for the people that I do my services to. So if you guys like that, let me know. If you guys enjoyed the unboxing, put it down in the comments, because I'm down to make more. Like, Every time I get a truck part, I'm down to do an unboxing video. Like, there's no problem with that. I like it. But yeah, that'll be it for today's video. For next video, you'll probably be seeing the drunk Q&A or me going out doing my registration, like another vlog and everything. And then video after that for sure will be doing the underbed notch. So let me know what you guys think, and see you guys next time. Peace out, everybody. It's your boy Chubbs, TCB.